Now open your page number 17. Topic is food. We eat food to make us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food helps us to do many things. Without food, we can't survive and we can't do anything. Healthy food helps us to grow. Healthy food helps us to grow. Like some foods are grown, these are healthy foods. कुछ फूड ऐसे होते हैं जो हम खुद ग्रो करते हैं, लाइक नट्स, वीट, अ बीन प्लांट एंड एप्रिकॉट ट्री, जो खुद से उगते हैं, ठीक है. और सम फूड कम फ्रॉम एनिमल्स एंड वी ऑल्सो गेट सम फूड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स लाइक hen, goat. We eat chicken and it comes from hen. We eat meat, it comes from goat, cow and fish. We get fish for fishing. So fruits and vegetables grow on plants. और जो हमारे फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं वो हमें प्लांट के थ्रू हमें मिलते हैं. Did you know potatoes are one of the top 5 crop grown in the world? Potatoes जो है सबसे फर्स्ट 5 क्रॉप्स में है जो पूरे मुल्क में उगाई जाती है. Scientists have even tried to grow potatoes on a space shuttle in a space. और साइंटिस्ट ने भी ट्राई किया कि वो पोटैटोज़ को स्पेस में ग्रो कर सके. नाउ टर्न योर पेज and open your page number 18. We make food from milk such as butter, cream and cheese. We also make butter, cheese, cream from milk. Fresh fruit and vegetables are good for us because we get so many calories from fruit and vegetables. Which of these food are very good for us? Which should we only eat small amount of? Why? Biscuits, eggs, bananas, ice cream, cake and milk. Biscuits, cake, ice creams, these are not healthy foods, okay, so we should avoid them, okay. And eggs, bananas and milk. From eggs and milk we get protein. Bananas we get proteins, vitamins and different calories, so it keeps us healthy and strong. Which vegetable do you like the best? Okay, tell me your the name of vegetables you like and which fruit do you like the best. Okay, it's your copy work, so we do it on copy. Look at the next page, page number 19. It's your homework. Now do it very neat and clean handwriting, and your homework is read page number 17 and 18. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.